What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is President's Day weekend. We are out here at Glamis Fab with all the boys today, so we're gonna walk over here and check out the shop and see what these guys got going on. I just got here kind of late as usual, but we'll go talk to the boys and see what's happening. Looks like we got a Funko in here already.
So
got Mr. Fab over here. Cold, huh? He's got his
not now.
No, yeah, it's warm now. So you know it's cold when Joe's wearing coveralls. Pretty cool. Pretty cool Funko. Got a little digital dash set up, iPad. We got Brandon in the shop over here. He's welding up this arm we just straightened out. So a little bit of a slow start today, but I guarantee you guys it's going to get busy. We're going to take you along with us. We'll try to get Joe not to be so camera shy too. Get him a little bit more involved.
Are we on the air?
Ruh-roh. I would put a bead all the way around that, a little one, and then we'll stick that over the top. Blaze from.
What happened, Joe? Tell him what happened. It's over there.
I think he stuffed it so hard that. Which one do you want on your car?
Not the vent one. So we're gonna cut it off, cut a new one off.
Gonna take that in.
And then take that one on. Brandon will go to work. Brandon doing what he does. Well, this car's getting one of our chrome moly whip tabs.
Thank you.
Got it all prepped. Brandon's gonna tackle it in place and then burn it in.
Looks good right there?
Yeah, that's good. Guys, so as you can see, it started to slow down a little bit. We're just finishing up that car with the whip tab, but you guys can see from the last video what's on my head. Yeah, I'm rocking safety glasses all the time now because this thing really got me last time. I don't know if you guys remember what my eye looked like, but the minute I got here, my sunglasses come off, safety glasses go on, and they're right there whenever I need them because yeah, that was pretty brutal. All right, guys, so really quick, I don't mean to interrupt this video, but we're going to take some time to talk to you today about Suma ceramic spray and Suma detail products. These guys reached out to us over here at the Dune Addict channel and asked us to take one of our really cool cars and try out their ceramic spray. So that's just exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and apply it to the whole hood here and see how she comes out. So we've completed the entire hood, and wow, what a difference it made. I mean, you can just take the rag and it just kind of flows across the surface there. Really, really great. They say that this protects down at the nano level. Not that I know what the hell that means, but I guess it works pretty well. They say one application lasts for 6 months, and for best results, you should apply it every 3 months. But what a difference it's made just on the hood. We're getting the exact same results on the painted and the powder coated and then painted surfaces, just as well as a fiberglass painted hood or body panel. It's coming out smooth as can be and protected. So, you know, we really need protection out in the sand. These cars get sandblasted pretty hard when we're coming this way. So we're gonna go ahead and coat this whole thing. We're gonna coat the arms everything. And hopefully that gives us that extra layer of protection we need to keep the car shining. So if you want to get your hands on some of the Suma Detail products, you can click the link in the description of this video and use code DUNE10. That's code DUNE10 for 10% off your order of any of the great Suma Detail products or the ceramic spray, which we just used here. And as you guys can see, it's absolutely amazing. So we got it pushed out into the sun, and take a look at this, guys. This thing is just shining. Absolutely amazing. I couldn't see the metallic in this beforehand, and now. Like I said before, guys, grab you some Suma Detail products. Click the link in the description of this video and use the code DUNE10 for 10% off your purchase. All right, so we put a water pump in this LS car. That pulley was cracked. All right, guys, well, another car, another electric power steering unit. Oh, this thing is glued down too. Oh, see Joe laughing at me? All right, hang on, guys. Let me get this hood off. All right, well, this is another SU ultralight, older car. It's going to get one of my power steering units in it, and it's pretty simple. We're probably just going to hang it off this bar and this bar, and looks like it's going to work out just right. So here we go, guys. We get to installing. Joe's got it mocked up. We're going to start welding the first tab. So I'm going to set the camera down, and we're going to go to work.
You have to hold it, I'll check.
Yep.
Gas on. Hopefully this thing is...
How many of these should I put in?
Three.
Hold it up. That corner, the motor has to come way high. Go higher on the front. There, just like that. Like it?
I love it.
Hold it.
Yep.
Oh, there's no room.
Grab a
I don't know.
Yeah, I was looking at that. I'm gonna go get people in the camp. Oh no. Worked up until that. It worked until it didn't.
Every job requires a hammer.
Yeah, we got like 2 or 3 carts in line.
Done, Harvey.
Nope. You gotta stay with it.
Water bottle. Stand by. Turn the steering wheel. Again. Go the other way. Keep going, go right there.
Done.
Okay, nope.
There we go. Turn. Keep going. More. Okay.
All right, well, you just saw in real time how long it takes Joe to install one of these units. He is really, really fast. And now it's up to me to wire it. And it takes me twice as long to wire it as it does for him to put it in. So it's just who he is and what he does. So it's all in. I'm gonna get it wired up and we'll have another car with electric power steering. All right, guys, well, we got it all wired up. It's all finished. And we're gonna go ahead and turn it on and give it a little test here.
What the hell is taking so long?
I wire slow, I don't know.
Man.
So you can turn the car with one finger. It's awesome. So this guy's gonna be totally stoked. This is an older gentleman that owns this car, and it's gonna make his tuning experience that much better. So another affordable off-road electric power steering kit installed right here at Glamis Fab. Me and Joe did it, and we're gonna get back to it. Working on this Ecotech car out here, and it's got a crazy misfire to it. So don't run, Braden. You can be on my channel. So I checked the injectors. They're firing. I cleaned them. I checked for spark. We have spark. The only thing I can think of is that it knocked off a rocker. And we'll get into the valve cover and take a look. If not, I don't know where we go from there. I guess I could compression test it first, but let's go ahead and pull the valve cover off and see what happens. All right, guys, we pulled the valve cover off. We're going to turn it over and see if the valves are moving. Go ahead. Again. Yeah, everything looks good. We're going to pull a plug and compression test it. Anything over 120 is good.
Okay. That's all right.
Keep going. Turn it over until I say stop. All right, stop. So, look at there, boys. At 80 pounds of compression. Boys, we're going to check the rest of the cylinders. That one was at 80. Go ahead. Nope. Didn't have it quite screwed in there. Hold that for me, would you? Film this. I'll edit that out. Go ahead. No, I'm good. 180. This one's got 80. You got internal damage. No, just tap the screen. It's still on. Go ahead. 180. In there. There we go. Go ahead. 180. Now let's go back to number 2. Go ahead. 90.
So why would the low pressure 2 make 1 die too?
What's that? 1 was running. You can see it on the plug that it was firing. All right, guys, so we pulled the plugs out and we looked at number 2 and check that out. Looks like we got some interference in there. So I do not have a bore scope, so I can't see the piston, but I do have a flashlight and I can kind of look down there and see what's going on. So again, guys, looks like there's hard damage in the motor. Probably a bent valve or a stretched rod bolts. something caused that damage and caused it to hit. We're just gonna put it back together, and it is what it is. It's kind of bummer we don't like to send cars out here not fixed, but sometimes we just can't. So if we had a spare EcoTech motor, we'd put it in, but we don't. All right, guys, well, I didn't film much on this car, but we did CVs on it. Just prep and replace the CV. Big SU car with a Whipple on it. So we'll watch him pull out of here. Dirtiest job in the shop is doing CVs. Just like that, guys, the day is over. What do you think about today? Nice and easy. I think tomorrow's going to be the, yeah.
Not for you.
Yeah, not as bad, but I think tomorrow's going to be the day. It'll be real busy. Yeah.
Pull the cap off this back passenger wheel and check the CV bolts because the back.
Gonna pull it in.
It might be
We just took the wheels off and tightened up the midboards, and another Funko back in the dunes, and should be all good. Once again, guys, like normal, I forgot to shoot an outro, but just know we are going to be out here all weekend with daily uploads. So make sure you guys give us a like and a subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Drop a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you back at Glamis Fab tomorrow.